Assalamualaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you all, dear?
Assalam.
Very few students joined the class today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. But kindly during the class time, do not switch off and switch on the camera. Do not interrupt and disturb the class in this manner. You are a senior student now. You should not disturb the class. Aisha Alias, Ahmed Afzal, open the video. Okay. Do open page number 53. We will do word cloud of cartoons as stories. Before that, I want Huzaifa to do recitation. Come on, Huzaifa. Girls, cover the hat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمدك ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا.
Sadaqallahu Azim. Okay. Did you all open page number 53 of the book? Let more students join the class. Bete, as you already got the date to receive the copies from school, so you all can receive copies from school. It is Monday, 14 December. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
And open the language copy. If you don't have right now, you should do in your rough copy and fear afterward. Come on. Take out language copy. We are doing the word cloud, page number 53. I'm sharing the screen. Come on, do with me. Open the language copy. Make your page in this manner. Take out the language copy. Do make the page in this manner. I'll be taking the attendance at the end of the class because few students joined the class too late. Okay. The first word that is mentioned in the word cloud is artwork. What is the meaning of artwork? Who will let me know? Come on, raise the hand. Ji Fahad, what is the meaning of artwork?
Miss drawing करना.
बेटे अगर हम काम कर रहे होंगे, it is action going on. This is not the action work. Ji Aisha, answer me.
टीचर जो कोई चीज जो आर्टिस्ट ने बनाई हो.
Very good. The drawing, the sketches, these all artwork are. Am I clear to everyone? What is artwork? The drawing, the sketch which the painter or artist make. ठीक है dear? That is noun. Write by yourself. Number 2, cartoon. Who will let me know the meaning? I hope you are writing. Number 2, cartoon. Ji, what is the meaning, Shami, cartoon?
Teacher, the animated thing which is come in cartoons.
Very good. Animated picture. Excellent job. Drawing or animated picture. Okay, number 3, champion. Hassan Raza, come on, answer. Champion.
मिस आप पेज दिखा देंगी मैंने अभी अभी स्टार्ट किया मैं
Bete, I'm doing, you should do work in this manner in the copy. I'm sharing the screen. Look at that.
Okay.
In this manner, do in the copy. Champion. Ji, who will tell me the meaning? Ali Ahmed, what does it mean, champion?
Miss, champion means support or defend your competition.
The person who?
Support or defend.
No, mera beta. Champion, champion are. Who are champion? Yes, Kirat, answer. Champion. Everyone will get the chance.
टीचर ये हमने कौन सी कॉपी में करना है?
In language copy. Kirat, kindly answer the relevant. Zainab.
Miss, if any team or a person won any competition, he called
Very
a
good.
champion.
Very good. The winner. The person who is winner. Or who defeats someone. In one word, if you say, those are winner. जीतने वाला. ये कह रहे हराने वाला. Comic strip. Yes, who will let me know the answer? Do in your language copy. We are doing page number 53, word cloud. Kirat, I hope it is clear to you. Please join the class on time. We are doing word cloud, vocabulary, page 53 of anthology. Do all the vocabulary in your language copy. Yes. What is comic strip? G, what is comic strip, Aurelia?
cartoon comic strip is a cartoon and animation books that we read.
Okay, several animated picture that is describing a story. Comic strip are basically describing the stories in picture form. Clear to everyone? Cartoons which are telling the story. Now few students are joining the class. Samir. Okay. After that we are having drama. Ji, who will let me know what is drama? Ji, Uzaifa. Drama
drama
mean
ही acting meaning
act. Drama mean act. Very good. A serious story, play, act.
yes
Very good. Okay. What is meant by hero?
miss
Yes.
मैं बताऊं
Yes, better speak up.
who saves
What is meant
who
by hero?
save everyone
The main character of the story. The main character of the story. Okay. Yes, Papa. Tell the meaning of magazine. Ji, unmute yourself. Wafa.
Magazine is like newspaper that you can easily know the news which are going into.
Okay. Article or illustrations. Very good. It's a noun. Several illustration or article you can find in magazine. Good try, Wafa bete. Kirat, kindly draw margin with pencil and do in the same manner as I am doing, bete. Word cloud, page number 53. We are doing the word cloud of page number 53. Do make margin with pencil. Okay. Illustrator. Who will let me know the meaning? Illustrator. Who is illustrator? Who will let me know the meaning? Kindly raise the hand. Okay, Hassan is raising the hand. Yes, Hassan, what is the meaning?
No, miss, I'm not.
Okay. Yes, who wish to answer me? Kindly raise the hand. Samir, Farwa, Hassan, Ariba, and please. Hassan Raza, open the video. You are not visible, Hassan. Ji Aisha bete. Unmute yourself and answer me. Who is illustrator?
Teacher who draws and creates something.
Very good. Excellent job, bete Farwa. Sorry, Aisha. Farwa bete, open the video. Ariba, Ahmad Afzal, and Samir. A person who draws a picture for books and magazine. Okay, it is. Okay, let me combine it now. I hope you understand now. Have you all done in the same manner as I have done? Okay, the first one, it's noun. Number 2 is also noun. Number 3 is also noun. The fourth one as well. These all are noun. The parts of speech of all this vocabulary is noun. Did you all understand all the vocabulary? Please let me know. Have you all done in the copy? Okay, very good. So let me mark the attendance. Okay. All the students came now. Now let me mark. Aman Jamil. Aman is present. Okay. Ali Ahmad, Ariba, Aurelia, Fahad, Hamad. Hamad, are you present in the class? No. You all can say present teacher, bete. Shamir, Sarah. Sarah did not join the class. She messaged me, but she did not join. Huzaifa, Omar absent, Wafa, Zana present. Fatma, Mateen, Hamad, Sarah and Omar Mahmood are absent from 5, from 5 red. 5 green. Ahmad Afzal present. Aisha Ilyas, Hassan, Kirat, Samir present. Farwa present. Shazib,
Present.
Samir present, okay. So many are absent. Shazib absent. Rayan absent. Mohtashim Adyan absent. Aima, Anshara, Alishba and Ayan Ahmad are absent from 5 green. Yes, students. The students who are left to submit the video, the poem elocution, they can submit today. Till 1. After that, I'll not be
टीचर
receiving
मुझे
it.
एक बार फिर से समझा दें.
Better you have to recite any poem, whatever you wish to recite, and send the video to me. It has marking. ठीक है?
टीचर कोई सी भी चाहिए.
Yes, beta, it's up to you.
टीचर
I have
ट्विंकल
taught.
ट्विंकल.
जी बेटे. I have taught the echoing green. If you wish to recite the same, you can recite. But it's your own choice as well. You can recite your favorite one as well. Okay, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. I hope you understood all the vocabulary. Did you understand?
Yes.
वोकैबुलरी के पहले कोई काम तो नहीं कराया ना?
No, beti, only we have done this. The parts of speech of all the word is noun.
मिस ड्रामा के बाद से वो
Kindly take a picture, please.
टीचर यार ग्रुप पे शेयर कर.
Definitely, I'll be sharing in group. You can take a picture right now. I'm sharing it. Take picture now, and then take picture now. Done, all of you? I'll be sharing picture in WhatsApp as well. Allah Hafiz, everyone, take good care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. Did you all understand? Okay, Zainab wish to say something. Ji Zainab, unmute yourself.
मिस आर्टवर्क तो काम को कहते हैं, किसी काम को, पेंटिंग करने को, ड्राइंग करने को, तो वो वर्ब
नहीं
होगा ना।
बेटे, देखिए जो करने वाला होता है ना, एक्शन, इट्स समथिंग एल्स. ये तो वो स्केचेस हैं जो ड्राइंग हम कर, जो काम होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैंने कोई चीज ड्रॉ किया, पिक्चर और ड्राइंग, दैट इज द आर्ट वर्क. जो काम है वो काम करना, एक्शन नहीं होगा आर्ट वर्क. ठीक है ना? अगर आप ड्राइंग कर रहे होंगे तो आप बोलेंगे आई एम ड्रॉइंग अ पिक्चर. ड्राइंग के दो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है. हाउ? इफ आई एम सेइंग आई एम ड्रॉइंग, हियर एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. आई हैव अ ड्रॉइंग, तो मेरे पास ड्राइंग है, तो वो नाउन हो गया. आर यू गेटिंग इट? आप समझ रही हैं? ठीक है ना? According to context, the vocabulary meaning is changed. It's up to us. How are we using it? Several word has several meanings. We can use in different manners. So here the word parts of speech, it's noun because no action is going on. It's without action. Okay. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Have a great day ahead.